What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to install apps from Play Store in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open the Play Store app. Now after opening the Play Store, first of all you have to sign into your Google account to use the Play Store. Now after signing in to your Google account, you can install games and apps. So if you want to install games, then go to the games tab, and here you will find all the games in Play Store. So you can tap on any game from here to install. And you can also go to search bar and search your favorite game. Now after searching, it will show you the results. So tap on the game you want to install and then tap on install to download and play this game. And to install apps, go to the apps tab. Now search for the app that you want to install, and then again tap on install to install this app and use. So this is how you can install apps from Play Store in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.